A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masora say. Welcome to African Beyond Television Network. And a lot of people are actually asking, kuti zvinhu zviri kumbofamba sei munyika yeZimbabwe, but there are a lot of activities happening. Triple C held a press conference. We published another video about the press conference, and there is another part of the video which we left out, and we need to play it right here on African Beyond Television Network because it carries something very important. The message is direct. The way forward is direct. So for those who are asking about the way forward, then you need to listen to this one.
Thank you very much. I'll start with the question here which speaks about that we're going to fill the street. Well, we want to put it clear without any fear or favor. If the regime continues harassing our people, if the suffering in Zimbabwe continues as it is, we will democratically, constitutionally, and peacefully hold them to account by any means necessary and unnecessary. We are ready to defend, we are ready to die for this country, we are ready to make sure that we defend the victory of our people. Because remember, we won the election on the 23rd of August, and we've been taken for granted through a lot of things, chief among them being the issue of recalls. So we will deal with the regime, and we will make sure that we do that within the confines of the law, in a democratic way, and also in a peaceful way. And then,
so this is Honorable Pasho Rafael Sabanda is clear. He says they are ready to deal with the regime in any way necessary. So this is a clear message to the regime and to those who have been oppressing the people of Zimbabwe. So you have heard for yourself from Citizens Coalition for Change. I do not know those who are waiting for Advocate Nozon Jamisa to speak or to hear from the mouth of Advocate Nozon Jamisa, but this is a clear indication that we are going somewhere as a nation, because Triple C has started to come out publicly stating what they are going to do and how they are going to do it. There is nothing hidden. They are clear that they're going to fill the streets, they're going to get onto the streets, and they are ready to make sure that they die onto the streets. So when you hear people saying, we are ready to die, then know that they are ready to face the consequences of their actions. So our duty is to make sure that we bring these positions to your attention, and it is what it is. Let us continue to watch and see how things are going to unfold. A lot of people are saying December is a very critical month for the affairs of Zimbabwe. A lot of things are happening at this moment in time. Key decisions will be made in this month, and when we get to January, we will start to understand the dynamics, the trajectory, and the direction being taken by Triple C. A lot of people are giving up, but we say do not give up, do not tire. Let us continue to rally behind Advocate Nozon Jamisa. So the message is clear. They are getting into the streets to make sure that the rule of law and democracy returns.